What are you doing?
Building back the stone wall that was for this upper terrace so that you can put a garden back in.
Why are you reusing materials instead of just going out to buy some, although we don't want to carry them?
Because I don't want to carry them.
No, really. Why? For the environment.
Yeah, because, well, stone is great because, I mean, that's what everybody builds with here anyway, but stone is awesome because you get all the little crevices and things that little animals can live in, especially during the winter and things, and it creates its own, like, little ecosystem in there.